Welcome to English News for Learners. Today is May 15. We have 3 interesting stories from Japan today. Let us start our session. Tokyo's traffic AI. Tokyo is introducing a new AI system. It will manage traffic flow in the city. The goal is to reduce traffic jams. The system uses cameras. It checks traffic data in real time. Then it changes traffic lights automatically. This makes driving much smoother. 50 major intersections will use this. This happens by the end of this year. It will save waiting time by 15%. That is a great improvement. It also helps the environment. Less idling means less carbon emissions. This is part of a smart city plan. It will launch in September 2026. This is a big step for urban life. Next topic. Eco na Fuku. A major Japanese brand has big news. They are launching a new clothing line. All items are made from recycled waste. This supports circular fashion. They use 100% recycled fabrics. This comes from old clothes. The brand wants to double their eco-friendly production. They want to protect our planet. This will reduce waste in landfills. It also helps the environment stay clean. Many people want sustainable choices now. This is a very positive trend. The new collection starts in June. You can buy it in stores. You can also find it online. The fashion world is changing for the better. Moving on. Okinawa's submarine drone. Scientists in Okinawa have a new tool. It is an advanced underwater drone. It is designed to study marine life. It is very quiet to operate. The drone has a long battery life. It works for 10 hours at once. It is 40% quieter than before. This helps researchers study fish safely. It captures high-definition images. They can see coral health clearly. They can also track fish populations. This helps save our sensitive oceans. Marine biologists work with tech firms. This is a great team effort. The missions begin next week. It is a win for ocean science. And finally, today we learned about traffic AI, eco-friendly fashion, and new ocean drones. You did a great job listening today. Keep practicing your English every single day. See you next time.